Today seems like a good day to sit back, relax, and take a look at some unusual friendships. So, let's get right into it. Jaws will drop and minds will blow when this girl shows off her slithering pets. No, your eyes aren't deceiving you. This girl is, in fact, a proud owner of 2 pythons. It doesn't need to be said, but these 3 spend a good part of the day playing with one another. The way this little lady is handling these sizable snakes is both impressive and chill-inducing. There's courageous, then there's fearless, and then there's whatever is happening over here. This zookeeper loves spending time and playing with his wolf buddies named Nakado and Waffles. The way he's casually chilling with these beasts, like it's just a normal thing, is making us super anxious. Everyone appreciates a playmate. Nothing wrong with that, but what's happening over here is just bizarre. This awe-striking video filmed at a wildlife rehabilitation center shows what it's like to have balls of steel. Watch this guy as he plays with a 950-pound bear like he's a stuffed toy. But this isn't the first ever interaction between this unlikely duo. In fact, this Good Samaritan is credited for rescuing this colossal Syrian brown bear. Needless to say, the 2 have been BFF since then.
Let's see where my little Zozo's at.
Speaking of lasting friendships, this lady and her zebra, Zoe, have been the best of friends since the latter was only 3 weeks old.
Oh my goodness, there she goes! What are you doing, this girl? Oh my goodness, there she goes! Oh my goodness!
This is the moment they finally met after being apart for 4 days. And while 4 days may not seem like a big deal at first,
oh my goodness, Zoe! Goodness gracious!
know that these 2 hadn't been away from each other for even that long before.
Hi, precious girl!
That should explain Zoe's contagious happiness and excitement.
Oh God! Oh, there she goes again!
Moving on, it's time to bask in the glory of this tender-hearted lady who rescues ostriches from slaughter and abuse. Not only that, but she has made it a habit to spend almost 6 hours a day with her rescued buddies to comfort them. She takes a blanket and sits with the chicks, no matter how pleasant or extreme the weather gets. Moving on, we are convinced that living an adventure-filled, Daring life is what this girl is all about. Because let's be fair, how many people do you know whose hobby is playing with leopard cubs? Not many, we assume. But this lady, she loves going in the snow and having a fun time with her pup and leopard cub. And the fact that these three are best friends is funny and fantastic at the same time. Watch this fearless man as he takes care of his three enormous alligator buddies. In addition to hand-feeding these giants, this guy also pets them from time to time. Let us know what would convince you to try the same. It shouldn't come as a surprise that dolphins are quite lovely and friendly in nature. And that should explain why this gentle giant is acting all lovey-dovey with this girl. Calling the bond of affection between these two adorable would be an understatement. Wait a second, there's no way this crocodile is real, right? Wrong, he is as real can get. This massive Nile crocodile named Sultan loves having a good time. His favorite part of the day is when he gets tickles from his 25-year-old human BFF. A strange friendship? Yes, it is. If you thought that playing with a leopard is the most extreme thing one could do, carefully watch what is happening over here. Yes, this guy is just minding his business and hanging out with his giant pet python in Bali. And just like that, we have reached the end of this endearing, but also strange video. Let us know in the comments which friendship you found the most heartwarming and which one left you completely stumped.